Hello everybody and welcome to another video by WiMo. My name is Eki, Delta Foxtrot 4 Oscar Radio, and today I'm gonna talk about some new masts we have got. These masts come in three lengths. We have the 6 meter length, the 10 meter length and the 16 meter length. The 6 meter and the 10 meter come in two versions from the material. One is glass fiber, and the second material is glass fiber reinforced with carbon, which makes it much more rigid and solid and sturdy to handling strong loads. The 16 meter mast is available only in this reinforced glass fiber carbon hybrid production, and it's very solid. The weight, 6 meter, about 2 kilograms. The 10 meter mast weighs about 3 kilograms. And the 16 meter mast weighs slightly below 5 kilograms. What I like about those is the quality of the clamps. You can adjust each clamp in its strength by adjusting the screw, and it holds really tight. Secondly, when you pull out the segments, it locks at the end, so you cannot overextend it and you cannot pull out the upper segment unwillingly. Of course you can if you want to, but you see it's marked red, and so it warns you don't pull anymore. But if you want, you can take out these segments and reduce the length of the mast if you want. So this is very nicely done. Somebody obviously paid a lot of thought and thought about how to construct it. The 6 meter version has 4 segments, 7 segments on the 10 meter version, and the 16 meter version has 9 segments. All have the same top diameter, so accessories for one diameter or for one mast fit for every other mast as well. And of course we offer a lot of accessories with this as well. At first there is a plug for the top, which we show here. This is just meant to hold the end of an antenna or just hoist a cable up there and hold up a wire antenna. This is very nicely done, and it's still a prototype, and we will see how it looks in the final stages. Secondly, I have the clamp for the guying in 3 directions, which goes not on the top, but maybe the second segment from top, and is used with the carabines to hook up 3 guy wires. Next we have the guy wire sets. These are fairly new. They are made by Mastron. They are very solidly made. It's made from 5mm rope, and the end is already prepared, very well done, all stainless steel with the eyelet on the end, and as you can see, protected against humidity. The other end you need to reassemble yourself depending on the length you want to go, but everything is included, including tightener and everything else. And finally we have these ground pegs, which come in 3 versions. This one is the plastic version, but it's already very sturdy, very solid, and even holds in light sand ground. But we also have this same peg in aluminium and reinforced aluminium, so they take a lot of load. So these are some of the accessories we show for, or we have for these masts. Of course we have a lot of tripods which we can use with these masts. We have this fairly new one. This is a diamond tripod, what is it called, AS603. This is originally intended for the diamond aluminium masts, but as you can see, you can use it as well with these new GFK masts. The combination with the 6 meter mast and this tripod is the lightest I have ever seen and the most easiest to set up. It fits directly into the mast, and it can be used even without guying if you don't put too much load on the side. But it's really lightweight. The tripod weighs about 2 kilograms, and the mast, as I said, also 2 kilograms. And so you have a very light and easy to set up mast solution. The 10 meter mast can also be used without the lower segment in this tripod, so it only extends to about 8 meters, but also a very good solution. And the 16 meter mast require something larger, like for example this solution, where you can go on with your car and use it as a load on this tripod or on this stand, and the mast goes in here, and you can use it with a 16-meter mast and with a 10-meter mast as well. We have set up a VHF antenna and a shortwave antenna. The VHF antenna is a 4-element by WiMo and works very nice. We hear some beacons. I've hooked up my 705 and we hear a lot of beacons on VHF. It's a very nice place here, a little bit above our village. Very quiet. Also on shortwave. We made some contacts on 40 meters and 20 meters and heard Japan on 10 meters. And again, very, very low noise environment and fantastic for using such a mast. All in all, I'm very impressed by the quality of these masts. The clamps are very well done. You can adjust them just to your liking. You cannot accidentally pull out too long, and it makes a very, very good impression concerning the rigidity and the solidity of the mast. I think this will be a very good solution, and maybe I'm afraid I have to get one for my car. So when I go out on the weekend, I can use something like this with very good success. Thanks for watching. I hope the video was enjoyable. Please leave us a like, and if you don't want to miss any more new videos from WiMo, subscribe to the channel. Many thanks and have a good time.